My name is Brian Anderson. This is my first video. I've been meaning to do this for quite a while. I am about to get jaw surgery, upper and lower maxillofacial jaw surgery. I have an underbite, and I have for most of my adult life. 26 years old, finally ready to get it over with. I've had braces now for about 8 months, and really not that bad. I was about 23 when I decided I wanted to do surgery, but I let stupid things get in the way and somehow justified not doing it 3 years ago, and here I am today. And yeah, that was a pretty big mistake. I mean, I could be totally done with this. Should have just done it then. So if you're on the fence about it, just take it from me, not that bad. I'm very active. I'm in a band. I work. I'm in a professional setting at work. I manage about 10 people, so there's really no excuses. It's fine. Has not affected one thing. More than anything, it's actually relieving. Once you get braces, you realize that you've actually started the process, and there's a lot to be said about that. So, as I know this this video is not going to get a lot of hits or anything like that, I'm not that worried about it. I know the people watching it's going to be important to them, because as I was going through this at 23 a few years ago, I found a few videos online. Hopefully I can find those links again so I can put them along with this video, so you can have multiple resources as you're doing your research. But either way, just wanted to, I'll keep this short. Just wanted to give an update. My first, well, not update, but my first entry. I'll have more updates as I go. I've got about 3 weeks until I get surgery. And I'll also be inserting some pictures, like maybe right now in the video. So I'll put on a video right now, or I'll put on a picture here in a couple seconds, where basically taken a few months ago. I'm hoping I have somewhere I didn't have my braces. I think I do, where I'll show my jaw. I'll show side photos, basically where my bite is. As you can see, that is my normal bite. So, needless to say, if you have the same thing, it's a very good thing to get taken care of, and I'm very excited, as I've been living with that for quite a while. It's not the funnest. It's not the funnest thing to have to deal with. So, either way, here's a few pictures of when before I had braces. And here's a few photos of right after I got braces. So probably just a couple months, maybe a month after I got braces. And that brings me to today. Today is July. What is it, honey? What's the date?
The 21st.
21st. July 21st, 2011. So I will give an update here in a couple weeks as I'm getting ready for surgery. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm sure I'll be able to answer a lot more after I get surgery. And in case any of you are wondering, the surgeon I'm going to go to is Dr. Ken Baldwin here in Salt Lake City, Utah. Highly recommended from my orthodontist. My orthodontist's name is Michael Richards, and they're both here in Salt Lake. I've had really good experiences with both so far. Definitely Dr. Richards' office has been great, the orthodontist. So if you live in the area and are wondering where to start, I would go get a consultation. He'll do it for free, and then go to Dr. Baldwin as well for a follow-up exam after you go to the orthodontist, of course. But again, please ask me any questions. I'll do the best I can to answer, and there will be plenty of information to come, and I'll be as active as I can on here to help out anyone else. Thank you. See ya. Did I just say thank you?
Yeah.